the top crypto mining app of 2025. Start earning crypto on your phone. In recent years, cryptocurrency has become more than just a trend. It's a financial revolution reshaping how we think about money, investment, and financial freedom. As we enter 2025, mining is no longer limited to people with powerful computers or massive investments. Now, anyone with a smartphone can start earning crypto with just a few taps. Today, we'll explore the best crypto mining app of 2025, an app that combines simplicity, consistent earnings, and smart technology. You don't need any technical background or expensive hardware, just your phone and a few minutes a day. How does it work? The idea is simple but brilliant. The app uses a small portion of your phone's processing power to help secure blockchain networks and perform lightweight mining operations. In return, you receive daily crypto rewards like Bitcoin, USDT, or emerging tokens, which you can either withdraw or hold until their value increases. Because the app relies on cloud mining technology, it doesn't overheat your phone or drain your battery. You can start or stop mining anytime with a single tap, and the system runs efficiently in the background. Why it's the best in 2025 user-friendly interface, designed for beginners. Free starter plan. Begin earning crypto with no deposit. VIP levels. Unlock higher daily earnings as you grow. Instant withdrawals. Transfer your rewards to your wallet within minutes. Constant updates. New coins and performance upgrades added regularly. This combination of features makes it perfect for anyone looking to enter the crypto space without complex setups or big risks. How to get started. Download the app from its official website or app store. Create an account in less than a minute. Activate mining and adjust the performance level to suit your phone. Watch your earnings grow on the live balance dashboard. You can also use the referral system to invite friends and earn bonus rewards from their mining activity, turning your small effort into a passive income stream. Can you really make money? Yes, but let's be realistic. Free mining apps won't make you rich overnight, but they can steadily build a growing crypto balance over time. As crypto prices rise, even small daily rewards can become valuable assets in the future. Think of it as planting seeds now that may grow into something significant later. That's the smart investor mindset of 2025. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Final thoughts. Mining crypto on your phone is no longer a dream. It's a reality powered by new technology and cloud computing. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to enter the world of digital assets safely and easily, this is your chance. Start today, because your first small earnings could be the beginning of your digital financial freedom tomorrow.